Welcome back, guys. So, one more thing I want to cover in that sites management part. So, that is like I forgot to tell you one thing, that is the adding tags to your sites. So, what you can do, like if you want someone, like if I want this demo page, or I take the example of the tabs. So, I want to provide a tag for the tab practice. So, I will say properties. Inside the property I have a tag, so I will say best best shoes. Let's take this example. So I'm providing one tag here, best shoes. Second tag I can provide Kuldeep. Let's it is like, I will say it is not the best practice, but I am taking the example of these. So Kuldeep is the second tag that I have provided, and I will say best clothes. Okay, so these three tags I have provided you. After that I will save and close. So tagging is used to optimize the search optimization. So if I hit the search button, then I will say Kuldeep. So inside the Kuldeep you can see all the assets that are related to that. So recently we have added this tag inside the demo page. If I hit that, uh, I will again perform a search, like by using different tag, uh, best shoes. Okay, hit enter. So you can see all the pages that have best shoes tag is only one, that is tab practice. So we can simply use like that. Okay, so this is how the search optimization is performed. So this is the tagging in sites, like how you can perform the tagging in your page. So like keep learning, keep practicing, and keep sharing. Thank you.